Across the Denver metro and the foothills this weekend, people are still cleaning up after last night's heavy windstorm that knocked out power to more than 100,000 XL customers overnight. With winds reaching peak gusts of 96 miles an hour in some areas, there were so many fallen trees knocking into power lines, landing on people's property. Evergreen Fire Rescue had more than 25 calls for electrical hazards thanks to those falling trees, like this one that briefly caught on fire. It was worse for one home in Edgewater where a fallen tree pulled down an electric line and sparked a fire, damaging the backside of this home's both exterior and its inside. This is actually the home of our own 9 News anchor Jordan Chavez. He is fine. Luckily, nobody was home at the time. Here in Denver, plenty of trash and debris blowing around today, so the Denver Rescue Mission and Colorado Rockies employees teamed up to bag up all the trash that was left over from the Rockies home opener on Friday. Those heavy winds impacted schools as well. Boulder Valley School District says power's still not on at 6 schools, so they're going to check in the morning and make a call about whether or not they have school. All other schools will be open tomorrow in that district. And Jeffco says 17 schools and building locations will be closed tomorrow because they still have power